Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. What we're going to look at today is a new but old from Iliad design. It's their 1/48 pre-war Spitfires. It's one of their older sheets, but it's been reprinted and it's been added to. Hi, so let's have a look at this decal sheet. So I'll just take it out the bag to start with. And first thing I say, this is a reprint of their early set 48003, except rather than just straight reprinting it, they've added to it. Basically, it's really hard to find now. Basically, you'll only, or the old set, you'll only ever find it on eBay, places like that. It's sold out long ago. So the big difference is this aircraft at the bottom here. The first edition of this decal sheet just had the top 5 aircraft. This one has 6. Bob has shuffled around the decals to fit an extra aircraft on the sheet. So I'll put up the decal sheet right now and slowly scroll down that so you can see everything. The decal sheet itself, there's minimal backing film around all the decals. The only place I can see backing film is where you'll want the lettering and numbers to actually stay lined up. There's a nice dividing line between all the different each aircraft, so you can see exactly what belongs with what. Looks like there's a full set of roundels for every aircraft, so you could conceivably make all 6 of these should you have 6 pre-war Spitfires in your stash, 1/48 scale. So the decal sheet looks really nice. Now we'll go through. I'll scroll top to bottom on the instructions. Instructions is a single piece of double-sided colour paper, and like I said, all these are pre-war aircraft, basically mostly 1938, early 1939. The instructions, looking at the port side views of the aircraft, they're all rather nice. You can clearly see where things need to line up. You can see the panel line, so you can get the decals lined up correctly. There's little pointers to things to watch out for, so those are rather nice. You can see there's different camouflage patterns on some of them. So now when we turn over the sheet, and again I'll scroll down this now, you can see at the top there it gives you the 2 different camouflage patterns that were applied, along with smaller views of the starboard side of the aircraft. And then further down we've got the undersurface, with variations of an aluminium undersurface and black and white, and some little idiosyncrasies for them as well. So all in all, it looks rather nice. It certainly would look nice in a collection of Spitfires, some early war ones, which look substantially different to the late war ones. So they look very nice. They're back on sale again, so if you missed out first time round, get yourself a set of these. Like I said, looks like you can use all 6 of these, so it's not like those sets where you use one set of roundels and then you're kind of stuck. But they look very nice, so many thanks to Iliad Design for sending them along for us to have a look at. If you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more information on the website about things. So see you on the next video.